Nichiren, born in 1222, was a very influential Japanese Buddhist priest and philosopher. He left a lot of writings behind, and they are saved until present day, providing good insight at his philosophy and religious views. Today, Nichiren Buddhism includes traditional schools as well as different movements based on different interpretations of his teachings. Unlike other scholars and school founders who came from noble and wealthy families, Nichiren was born in a small village, from the parents who were of the lower class. Nichiren, in his writings, proudly stressed that fact several times, but his followers started adding stories after his death that he was from the noble family in order to attract more followers and to make the school more appealing to higher-class people. Nichiren started his 20-year education at the age of 12, and he studied all the 10 schools of Buddhism in Japan at that time, as well as secular literature and Chinese classics. First, he went to Tendai School and became a priest at 16. Then, he moved to Kamakura City to study Pure Land Buddhism, and then studied Zen, which was becoming popular in Kamakura and Kyoto. After, he traveled to Mount Hiei, the center of Tendai Buddhism, when he mastered the school's original doctrines and its variations of Pure Land Buddhism and Esoteric Buddhism. In the final stage of his studies, he went to Mount Koya, the center of Shingon Esoteric Buddhism, and to Nara, where he studied 6 established schools, especially the Ritsu sect that practiced strict monastic discipline. In 1253, Nichiren started his teachings from what he concluded during his 20 years of studies. His main focus was return to the Lotus Sutra. In his treatise in 1260, on establishing the correct teaching for the peace of the land, he argued that the nation that embraces the Lotus Sutra will live in peace and prosperity, whereas rulers that support inferior religious teachings attract disorder and disaster. He stated that the title in Lotus Sutra itself leads to enlightening by recitation. Nichiren remains a controversial figure among scholars. Some claim he's nationalistic, intolerant, and militaristic, while others say he's a reformer and revolutionary. But from preserved letters, we see that he was a very caring person for his followers, and the only one who was sympathetic for women, as he stated that enlightenment is for everybody, not only for men. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to comment below and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video.